Drones with camera for adults/kids/beginners. 1080p drones for adults. 120 degrees wide-angle kids drone. Safe design and easy to control with remote/app/voice. 18 minutes flight time. Top Christmas gifts for kids 2022. 1080p FPV drone. 1080p HD wide-angle. A top Christmas gifts drones with camera for adults. With the 1080p HD drone camera, can show you the real world with wonderful FPV, first-person view, experiences and capture the precious moments of life for you without distortion. For this drone for beginners, the 1080p HD camera is more than adequate for taking pictures. The Christmas gifts for teenage girls/boys have better picture quality than 720p and is more cost-effective than a 2K/4K camera. Easy control, drone for kids/beginners. Kids drones have multiple functions to make them easy to control. Different from normal drones for adults, kids drones for age 8 to 12 support toss to launch. You can fly it by throwing horizontally, it will unlock the blades and fly. The one-key takeoff/landing function can help you control the kid drone easily. You can fly or land the drone just with one press. When you want the drone to hover, you can hover it in the air with the altitude hold function. Advanced features. In addition to making it easier for your flight, W10 drone with camera offers more interesting features such as headless mode, 360 degrees flip, etc. Headless mode makes the front end of the camera drones for adults the same as the remote control. Under headless mode, it is not necessary to consider the direction of the nose, providing a better experience for high-speed flight. This kid drone also equips with 360-degree flip and rolls, so that you can capture video or photos from any angle. Multi